Hello, bachcho. Let's read the question. The question says, which molecular geometry is least likely to result from trigonal bipyramidal electron geometry? ठीक है? It is trigonal, planar, seesaw, linear, or bent T-shaped. ठीक है? So, बच्चों, if there is a molecule of AB5 type, ठीक है, where the hybridization is sp3d, this represents trigonal bipyramidal geometry. ठीक है? So, if you represent the geometry, the it can be drawn like this, and this is trigonal bipyramidal geometry where three atoms are present at the trigonal planar, and that is your equatorial position, and two are at axial position. If this is replaced, one of the atom is replaced by one lone pair of electrons, then it is the shape becomes सी सॉ. ठीक है, अगर आपका यहाँ पे एक लोन पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय द एटम इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय वन इलेक्ट्रॉन लोन पेयर, ठीक है, देन इट बिकम्स सी सॉ. द शेप बिकम्स सी सॉ. ठीक है, दिस इज ट्राइगोनल बाई पिरामिडल. ट्राइगोनल बाई पिरामिडल. ठीक है, and if two of the atoms are replaced by there are two lone pair of electrons in sp3d hybridized molecule, तो वहाँ पे आपका जो equatorial position will be occupied by two lone pair of electron, and then the shape becomes t shaped. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपका shape क्या हो जाता है? It is t shaped. Okay, if three atoms are replaced by lone pair of electrons, now that means in sp3 dehybridized molecule, if there is three lone pair of electrons, then all the atoms in the trigonal planar position, the equatorial position will be replaced by the lone pairs. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपका lone pair जो occupy करेगा, that position will be all equatorial. All the equatorial position are occupied by the lone pairs. So now the shape becomes linear. यहाँ पे आपका शेप क्या हो जाता है? लीनियर हो जाता है बच्चों. द लोन पेयर विल नेवर ऑक्यूपाई द एक्सियल पोजीशन. ठीक है, तो अगर ट्राइगोनल बाइपिरामिडल ज्योमेट्री से the most molecular geometry that can be formed are seesaw, T-shaped, and linear, depending on the number of lone pairs. Trigonal planar geometry will not form because this can form only when the lone pair of electrons will occupy the axial position, and which is not possible in case of trigonal bipyramidal geometry. So the correct option is A. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.